my life. Who knew that Jpac and Governor Ogechi Choromon, Governor Escalation Ogechi spending more than 3-4 good years in Anga Choromon. Ojibiana m na support IPOP. Onye ọgbara ndị police o. No one ebunye ndị ogonum e ga prove ya. You go prove am maka Chineke kere mo ake. Say na me the sponsor IP. Now wetin these people tell police o Jpac said it, Governor S-Convict said it. But ndị Igbo stood for it. Abraham and all the only thing ha ga-eji pin him down with no evidence. These people cook up story. Because I did you nothing. Absolutely nothing. Guys came out. Women came out. So she getting calls everywhere. Who knows who people? Oh my goodness. And for those of you that are hiding your face, Okurora, I am disappointed in you. I'll call you out later. When you have problem with COS, I was there for you. I took up your matter for my head. But man went so everybody amela. People I didn't even expect. They all landed. It's too grand. If nobody might hey, use their platform. Okurora, what stop you from using your platform to even say, Ogechi, ke home may arrest? I carried your matter for my head. I carried your matter for my issue. I brew your problem. Maybe I have problem with it. A lot of people make question with problem with. I didn't want to say much because I have but this appreciation goes to a lot of people that I didn't even know. Many people that because toilet first class, first class. So you were the only thing that because of the jet flag. I was so awake. People were on my matter. Even 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. People were still coming. Okurora. You're not a good person. You are not a good person. Here twice. Imena ya mbomeche ni ga agbanwe. Game kwa twice. Mbane gweri diko say. Bana kugi mpatankwa. You give out flavor. Flavor. You need to Okurora, you're a very bad person. You are a very bad person. You're not a good man. I'm not afraid to. People like him, they will come and when they have 1 naira or 2 naira. You are a very bad person. But let God judge all of my kindness towards you. Even to say, where is Ogechi? I'm going to call. People, people that matter called. They matter called to check up on me. Okay, where are you? Hey, to understand the what happened phone. I never see this kind call. I never see this kind of person. People were on my matter. People took it personally. They made different debate. People made different debate. People just decide. We put an even day. One sponsor unknown comment. One support to IPOP. These people, Governor Ogechi and the Jpac on tour. I get to that guy. He put a formulate here. Okay, so now all these men they are here to protect me, just to stand by me. That was exactly what happened to Kemono Onyu. You want to go? So this is how demonic and dubious mind this Jpac put it. Because he let China when you know the form when you book Ogechi got form because Onyi refused to betray me. Onyi refused to betray me. Onyi refused to join you to betray me. Okay, wait. In a gitamon na bed. Mbono birano na bathroom because uno carried over 30 men that he get phone. I was scared. Nde yi mufti odiole. Nde no on uniform odiole. I was just like here in Nigeria. This is Nigeria where you're supposed to be very careful. You don't know who is who. That intelligent criminal. I'm going to go open your face. I'm going to put it Nde umax, nde nine government, get back up. Hey, get on your gate for a woman. Look at you. Look at you. Oh, Mwakije boss. Mwakije boss. He was like demon. Come on, look at you. Here me walking. You. Just relax. Relax. When I don't do my worst. When I don't do my worst. I battle Zenu. When I don't do when I make a go who game him. When I make a go. When I make a go. Who game him. For the letter, an innocent brother. The only man in Buddha, only is the only person they are aware. Because I'm not a man with a secret that will take you to grave. The only thing he get Jimmy get them. Hey, ya no nye get there. In a get him when Jirimayo parapam can they go in the Wakanunzo. When they would you be afraid? The hotel Libya. Security. Nobody can walk in here now. Security. Open this door. When the Urugi get me puzzle. Will you open the door? Will you open the door? Otum sheshi bata. Threaten na candy cake. Will you open the door? Open the door. Open the door. Mejiwa Ghana. The only thing that window cannot, the window is too small. And but because I'm no warrant, no nothing. She from nowhere, very bruno. He gave me puzzle. Him na door. I'm window like this. Like man, God everywhere. Monday you mufti. Monday you mufti. Everybody. Ex-convict. Yeah. Kono biabu onu Kono biabu onu Ono biabu na tunu emu onye nche. Kono biabu onu onye wete ya ka ebu onu. Intimidation everywhere. These people get ema owuzu ha ka etetere na video. You know be all of them they bring for video. And when people when man they push shit that and that buro. Man they push that. Man they push that. Hallway hotel just to intimidate me, to threaten me, to subdue me. Just to when I get Ogechi, he got home. That useless, hopeless Kingsley. Among why your video have been finished here. And finished one day. Ask I don't know why they did not video that side. I was not afraid of them all. When I discovered that I finished them. That's you can't go to Kanda. Can look at this useless man. Very dirty and unkept. Oh, no, shin. For the girls, they had very dirty. I finished go dream how we turn on that. I don't know why they did not bring those parts. I washed them. And I said, less beds. Useless people. Yeah, in that in a gutter just because of one woman. Ofunye. We kill you, we kill you, we kill you. Come on, we kill you. Yeah, and then Susware. Here me boom, ya don't work him with a brain. Excuse me, couldn't you look at my arrest? Couldn't you look at that child boss who need no why? Who is the person? Who's the person? Ogechi. Ogechi kono gaga chia umoke mandaburo. Mandene umado. Ma ya misi within the uniform. Kono bia so do mu. Kono bia melu intimidate. I don't understand. Guy. Very shapeless human being that useless kissing. Put it like this. I thought when I reached the home able to petition Ogechi. I thought I would see one of names. Weak useless men. Why would you guys even come to my hotel in my back? You did not knock. Imam Abamoto. Imam Anamasan. Imam Aname use some toilet. Una just go out. Every video. Kikitanu mebe mbotonu. Kikitanu mebe mboto. Keba post on Facebook. I don't want to get you. I don't want to get you. Kikitanu kebia menu yeye. Una wele camera. Camera. Paparazzi. Paparazzi will not get certificates. Paparazzi will not get certificates. Paparazzi will not get license. Mikey Jackson about the turn. Everybody, can they capture me? Is that come back? When I don't capture big fish. Big fish. When I don't get big fish. When I don't capture me now. But it's here now. Una don't capture me. And I'm going to say, Ogechi, useless touts, Kinsley, useless man. Ogechi, look at her, look at her. They go Ogechi. We don't capture her. Leia, like Obasanjo was not arrested. Do you know how many people are arrested? They become prominent. Do you know prominent people that we arrested? I know that even feeding the bloggers this time around. The food that I gave them, this jobless money. How I kept them busy since 3 days in detention. No paradise. Hey man, this useless, hopeless Jpac detention. We heard that Ogechi did not sleep here last night. We heard that Ogechi did not sleep here last night. We want to make sure. When they came out, I was treated like a VIP. Believe it or not. You know go know the in and out. Go Jpac. Oh yes. You don't do. Even the hopeless Afoshin Jpac cannot even come close to me. He was so scared to even. The only time when the audacity and the impetus to come, the statement. That will tell rubbish, man. Ogechi said she don't kill me. Ogechi. Jpac, how many people have you tormented in this blew up? How many souls have you scattered? Ogechi Jpac, Yarume Kurumu walk, can get poor another one out times. I should get Jeraka Worombo. Now you start a more. Now you start. Now you start am. Everybody knows me ko. As you say you came to label me. Katu terebe babuom. Katu terebe babuom. I want to put them off for. If na bed. If you don't prove that camera, if you don't prove that video, I just not soft. I'm just peddling soft things. Now this soft pedal. I just want to go this small. I just want to go this small. I just want to go one for one thing. Let me finish. And advise us. Oh, how can I see? I'm just patterning my speech. I just want to go to Kumata. I just want to small. But that's your one. But that's one again. I got my coachy phone phone. I am come tago do some open. Akuna okolo one in the cabin womb. I put you call and talk and do boom but cabin womb. I put you call her. You got that all of them. Couldn't be a woman, right? I quit chokora couldn't be a woman. I quit chokora have a boom. Men, all of them everywhere. Damn meaning. I quit chokora have a woman. Say nobody will come for me now. Nobody will come for you guys were even threatening me in the police officer that now I'm going jail. Now nobody will ever bail me. I want him to threaten the police. I want you again and dabura nando kidnap PG. I want him to threaten him. You guys was guaranteeing me that I nobody you only threatening me main power na police station or wash. I want you to threaten him with. I want him to threaten him. Ghana, okay, say, game way to audacity, be busramu. Hey, she. As a more of the good game, as in getting. She Ogechi now. Can die. Can forget Facebook, who these people for in life. Cabo passo, get ex-convict. You know it. Very dirty looking hole. Like how in fact, in my head, you know what will happen? As on a plan with I get to tell you how. Video, there were many that were at the back hiding. Personal cards. Just a minute, they want to come out. I don't have anybody. When they come up, who I get? I went to Maduna. Actually working in on Facebook. Hidden criminals. They're on Facebook. They're Ogechi now. We are talking all time. This is our last. Ghana join Ghana. I blame Nigeria, those hotel people. But I will come for now. Hotel Agama Kuruna Hana Newi. Akuno. So Jpac but CCTV corner on a tom that hotel. That means nobody stays in that hotel to be safe. That means nobody will rent that hotel who got the safe. If the workers are there to give secrets, that means that hotel nobody will be. Agama worst nightmare in the hotel. So nobody stays because Jpac put the hotel in any information. So that means nobody is safe. That's all of you. Agama was why you leak a secret? That means a hotel who is safe in a navy. That means if you are coming there, you are in jeopardy. we marital deal. That means nobody is. You're not supposed to review the secret of when you believe on protect ya. That means nobody is fucking safe in that particular hotel. Address Ogechi na unu ga-emere m explain why unu ji bru Jpac na-eli secret my whereabouts. That means unu chọrọ ka unu gbuo m. Unu chọrọ those hasty different men with such dressing. Unu eli secret of guests unu show obodo oyibo bata. A VIP guest. Unu eli ka egbuo m. So this is what you guys. So nobody is safe na hotel unu. That's what it is. That is what it's time to be. Share a video from the Chori Galoja in such hotel. Share the video. Hold on. That means only this safe. Now that hotel. Not just insulting me because Nigeria are the hot. So that is what it is. Then when anybody got back at that hotel look the safe. Right? That is what it's time to look like. And the hotel has zero majority of my things. Perfumes for gifts. My laundries. Umake boko. And I'm a biafo now. If can finish go to one thing. And I'm a biafo now. And how would I leave for the perfume this thing empty? So unu the pranelu make it him. Nobody do make it him untega be buomu. Na hotel unu. Oh, una no go like am. Una no go like am. Only makachuna ga like here. So unu ka Jpac. So they are in jeopardy. Nobody will trust anything again. That means if anybody step in and that person become a threat. If I get you soon, network in Nigeria is very, very bad. I don't know what to do. You want to go? I'm at Abuja on Monday. Definitely on Monday. Definitely our appointment, Monaha. I will be at Abuja on Monday. Definitely I'm on Monday. Now first headquarter. Abuja, I will be there. I'm on Monday. You want to go? Saturday, like I said, you give me IV, I will be there. I'm not my boss. I'm not a, why would I be running? I'm not my boss. So why did I step into Nigeria and make a video? But I wasn't running. I'm not a fugitive. I'm not a criminal. I'm not a thief. I never stolen anything. So nobody will tell me that I should not come to Nigeria. I should hide my location. For what? For what, if I may ask? I did not kill anybody. I did not murder. I'm not a thief. I'm not a guy. I did not steal anything from anybody. Whoever allege must prove. That's how it stands. If you allege, you prove. As it stands now. Actually, I want people to be like Ogechi. Let this case mepu na anya. Let this case mepu na anya. Even at this case, rather it will break you or make you. Don't be afraid of any intimidation or whatsoever. This case is a state of I will intimidate you. You are nobody. You want to go? I will intimidate you, you got nobody. This case versus you are nobody, you are nobody. I will step on your head and crack. That's it. Pray, Yage. That is what this case stands for. If you have an open mind and look into this case, that is all this case stands for. We will form a group and I will be the leader. I will be the master of the game. So that we will crush you. We will crush. You may be rejoicing on my own. Your turn is coming. And nobody will stand by you. Rejoice and celebrate on my own. But your own day, you may not see anybody that will make calls. As far as you live in Nigeria, celebrate on this one, Wulielu. But one thing, my sister or my brother that is celebrating over this arrest, Ogechi will come out victoriously. Bet me, because I did not commit any crime. We will prove it to every reasonable doubt. As far as this case is concerned, I did not commit any crime. I was not the one that looked for trouble. That is why where evidence will be surfaced, where the things will be open and obvious. Like I said, the police that came, I said, I will follow all due process. But one thing I will not allow is intimidation. All due process will be applied in this case. I got in the water. So, my dear, anybody can be arrested as far as this world is called. Nobody is above arrest. No fucking body is above arrest. Even arrest, I will majestically answer your call. But do not arrest me and intimidate me at the same time. That one I will not take. This case is only about honesty. And when you're on email, bring your proof and I will bring my proof. Two parties will bring it to the timelines. A lot of threats were made on my head. A lot of, if you say pen, I will finish you. You want to go? So, and when you want a monopoly of intimidation, and when you want a monopoly of you cannot say, you cannot do this. It is, every laws, everything age member intimidate ends one day. I remember one woman in America, and is that her? That can come in the bus and sit down. It started on one day. The woman, I said no. From that day, the woman took it on her head and got victory. It doesn't matter how many groups we will form. Let's contribute money for no problem. My case will open a lot of people's eyes. My case will give you the mind to speak and stand on your own and intend your words. I'm going to get my phone. I don't know what's wrong with this.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe on this channel, share this video, like, comment, drop your thoughts on the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video. Please, after watching this video, drop your thoughts. Always drop your thoughts in the comment section. Always share, always like and comment. Thank you for watching.